Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. I'm currently sitting on the floor being like Trisha Paytas, just chilling. I ordered stuff on IKEA on like the 5th and it came today, which is the 27th. So here's the thing, I honestly was not the biggest IKEA fan. Even when I first moved to LA, I didn't really want to get a lot of stuff from IKEA. I just feel like you can tell most of the time when something's from IKEA, you know? I went on their website because of quarantine and turns out there's a lot of cute stuff that is new and stuff that I needed. It'd be like that sometimes. The thing is whenever I'm shopping on IKEA, I have to like mentally tell myself where this is gonna go because I can overdo it. I feel like everyone's that way. IKEA is so affordable that we're all like, let's just buy this, 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 and this, and this, but you really have to like be mindful. I try to be mindful and I'm looking at the pile in front of me and I'm like, was I? Be sure you follow me on TikTok, Instagram, the bell below, all that fun stuff. And let's go ahead and get into this video, this haul video. I bought these. You're probably thinking, what are those? Are those things for pull-ups? And I think I paid like $5 for each one of these, which I think is a really good price. They're called the Mulig. And also, let's just see how bad I butcher all of the names. I bought 2 of these for my office. What is that room called? Closet. That's probably like the least exciting thing I got, and I showed you guys that first. Sorry. The next thing I got was 2 of these lamps. They're called the Simrishamn. I was very impressed with this collection. I actually ordered technically 4 things from this collection. I still have another light coming in the mail because I ordered it pretty late compared to the rest of these things, but for now, I have these things to show you, and these lamps were only $29.99 each, which I think is such a steal for how good they look. To me, these look like something that is either vintage or something from like West Elm or CB2. $30. So this was definitely something I wanted to show you guys. It comes in chrome. I feel like I will be I'm going to spray paint these. I think I'm going to spray paint these cream to match the mirror that's in our bedroom right now. But that's the beauty of IKEA, is if you find something that you like in the shape, you can always kind of like DIY it to make it something unique. Okay, here is what it looks like. I think it looks so good and like pretty expensive given it's $30. So I'm pretty hyped about that. And I bought 2 of them. Those 2 lamps were like the thing that kind of sparked me adding stuff to my cart. And then I saw they had a floor lamp version, and I have apparently this fetish right now for lamps. In the past like few months since we bought this house, so 2 months, I've bought 1, 2, 3 floor lamps, multiple table lamps. I can't stop. Your girl got another lamp from this line. It's supposed to look like this. And this is what it looks like. I am utterly obsessed with how this turned out. Like, that is so worth every freaking penny. So when I placed this order, they actually had that lamp on like 20% off. So I think I got it for like $40 or $50. Okay, I'm done talking about lamps. Next things I got are the Hederaton. I'm trying to fuck it up. Oh wow, we have to assemble this. Okay. Well, well, you can kind of get a general idea of what this is the biggest fail of the video, I'm pretty sure. But this is what the little packaging thing will look like. You can see the picture right on the box. Yeah, I ordered these originally for the shelf that was in our hallway, but we ended up moving that shelf to Cody's room because it matched his room really well. And no, Cody sleeps in the same bed as me. That confuses people. He has an office and I just call it his room. So I don't know what I want to do with these, but I'm sure I'll figure it out. I got 2 of them and I'm pretty sure they were like $12 each, or maybe like 10. They weren't expensive. Ooh, this is a good one. This is like the last substantially large thing I think I got. I ordered this $30 Raskog, a rack. And I will put an overlay right now of what my bathroom looks like. It's a disaster. The storage in my bathroom sucks. There's like fake drawers that aren't drawers, but they could have been drawers, and like depth of the drawers aren't long enough to keep my supplies in it. I have tampons just sitting out. There's not a lot of space compared to my old bathroom. Therefore, I needed a storage. Now, this is not the most aesthetically pleasing thing, but it is a great solution for $30. And I'm gonna put my hair tools on it. I'm gonna put basically anything that sits out on the counter that I use daily. Oh my God, how did I live without this? Look at my vanity. Obviously, it needs to be cleaned and stuff, but this is so nice to have everything that I need. My daily stuff not there, and over here. This can easily be hidden, put in my closet, stuff like that. Got my hair tools I use every single day. Amazing. Now, like I said, it's not the most aesthetically pleasing, but we gotta make do with what we got. Whew, we are making progress. I forgot I ordered these. These little hair wraps, they come with 2. I'm pretty sure they were like $3, maybe $5, and I thought that was a really, really good deal because I always put my hair up after I get out of the shower. Duh. So if you want the name, here is the name. I thought that was a really, really good deal. I was very impressed with IKEA for that one. So thumbs up. I mean, I think. I did order like one of those wireless chargers from IKEA and it just didn't really do much. It was the slowest charging thing ever. So that was not a good buy, but you win some, you lose some. Sorry, my neighbor's out on his front porch and I'm just like watching him because he's being very expressive. The next thing I got was this Anne Van Bar. Am I getting close? Okay, this is cute. I don't regret this thing at all. That was like a TikTok reference if you didn't pick up on it. This is so cute. This was like $12, which is kind of more than I'm used to spending on a plant hanger, but look at this. It's got like these little things that remind me of Urban Outfitters, and it's just a plant hanger. It's a macrame plant hanger. But I think this is so cute, and for $12, that is, I think, a good deal for something like this. It looks like something, like I said, from Urban Outfitters, but that they would probably charge like $30. So if you want the information, that's what it's called. I'll try to link stuff. They're not on like reward style or anything, so they're just gonna be normal links in the description box, but they'll be there. So this is called the, oh, I love IKEA's fake plants. I think usually they look really, really realistic given the price. I don't typically buy artificial plants unless I have a really dark corner or like a bathroom shelf that has no light, because it adds greenery to the space and you don't have to worry about the plant dying and replacing it every like 5 seconds. But I got this fake Chinese money plant, and if you want it to look like really real, you can put like dirt right here if it's somewhere like out in the open, and you can trick people into thinking it's real and they'll be like, what the fuck? But I think this was like $10. I usually kill these plants, even though everyone's like, they're so easy to stay alive. They don't like to stay alive with me. And then for $5 maybe each, I got these fake plants. These are fake eucalyptus, and they have like a string of hearts one now. I have one of these in our bathroom right now because it's perfect, but we're redoing our powder room, and I thought this would be really, really great for that. These were so inexpensive, and I think they look really, really good. They look like something from Trader Joe's. So I got another one. So that is my haul for you guys. I have a ton of stuff now that I gotta put together and assemble, which will be interesting, but I'm very, very excited about it. Let me know in the comments below what your favorite thing was that I showed you guys. Do you love IKEA? Are you like an IKEA stan and I'm just like now getting into it? I don't know. But I promise I'll be back to fashion videos here shortly. It just didn't feel right posting fashion videos because, like, let's be real, we're all wearing like this outfit every other day. So until next time, I will talk to y'all later. Be sure you stick around by subscribing, and also check me out on TikTok, Instagram, my other Instagram. And that's pretty much all I update, honestly. Until next time, I'll talk to y'all later. Bye!